Hi, it's Philip Fast and Easy Computers. I'm going to do a quick unboxing vid of an Antec NX410. Done other Antec cases. This is a more of a budget build. It's a nice case though. Anyway, here it's just come out of the box. There's our box. It's got two nice big 14cm fans on the front. Comes with a plastic protecting the lovely case on the side. We've got a 12cm at the back. It's basically a black case. You have a lid on the top so you can mount fans and the radiator there. We have USB 3s, some 2s, your audios, an LED controller and a power button. Okay, nice thing about this case is it does this, so you don't end up dropping your thing. Okay, so in here we have your main area. Nice clear area for your fans here. There is a panel at the front here. So this is all mesh, so you get lots of air flow through it. Okay, we've not done anything with this yet, so let's have a look. This is straight out the case, so that's good. You can actually unscrew it. They're not captive, so just watch out you don't lose your screws. It's quite lightweight, it's not a super heavy case, but we have some nice routing on there. Cables up here. Now Antec, when we spoke to them the other day, they do spares for the top bit, so you can break them and replace it without having to do a complete rebuild. We've got some nice routing all the way down. You've got various different mounts and things there. You can put your drive in there. Here's your pack of bits. Let's see what we get. We get some back mounts there. You get a speaker, which is nice. You've got a big pack of screws in there. You've got some cable ties. That's all you need really. We've got USB 3 there. This is going to be audio. We have, this is a ARGB case, so we've got a mount there for the ARGB, and you've got the power going to that. That will actually make all your fans go glowy and switch via the button on the top, and you can also then use your motherboard to do it. So that's pretty much the case. It's a relatively lightweight one, it's not too heavy, but solid enough. That's the 410 from Antec.